In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Connors RSI indicators on TradingView Pro quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through this step by step. So even if you're brand new to TradingView, you'll be able to follow along and get the Connors RSI indicator on your chart in just a couple of minutes. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually near the toolbar where you select your time frame and drawing tools. Go ahead and click on indicators. This opens the main indicators and strategies panel, which is where all of TradingView's built-in tools live. Inside this panel, you'll see several categories. To keep things simple, we're going to focus on the technical indicators section. If it's not already selected, click on the option that brings up technical indicators. This area includes most of the common tools traders use, and Connors RSI is one of them. Next, move your attention to the search bar at the top of that indicators window. Click into the search field so you can type and then start entering Connors RSI. As you type, TradingView will begin filtering the list below in real time. This makes it much faster to find exactly what you're looking for instead of scrolling through a long list of indicators. Once you see Connors RSI appear in the results, simply click on it one time. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add it to your active chart. You should see a new panel appear, usually below your price chart, showing the Connors RSI line and its values. From here, you can hover over the indicator's name to access its settings if you want to adjust colors, line thickness, or the input values. If you're just getting started, it's perfectly fine to leave the default settings while you learn how it behaves with your trading style. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want to unlock more advanced features, like additional indicators on the same chart and more layout options, you can use the link in my video description to sign up. That way, you'll be working with the same setup I'm using here, which makes it easier to follow along in future tutorials. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added the Connors RSI indicator to your TradingView chart.